The next topic is the structure of a power system. In a structure of a power system, we are seeing this is a diagram which shows a diagram of power system component. It is having generator, transmission line, and distribution system, and sub transmission distribution system. The main work of a generator is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, and this energy it is produced in bulk, and it has to be transferred from a generation point to the consumer point. So this is a structure or a structure of a power system. Given in a structure of a power system, if you see, generators are there which produces the electricity, and through the generator it is fed to a bus bars in the substation. That is, that bus bar will depend upon actually the generation. It is of a 11 kV. A generator, when it is producing electricity, it is producing of a 11 kV. It is giving a 11 kV. That 11 kV, it is fed to a bus bars. That bus bar, there are many transformer which converts the 11 kV into a various different type of voltages, like 110 voltage, 220 voltage, 66 voltage, 33 voltage, depending upon the need of the consumers. So the generator may be alternate, it may be alternator, or it may be a DC machine, and it is having a control system which controls the speed of the machine. If you control the speed of the machine, then the voltage will be constant. The voltage will be constant. In this one, many auxiliary equipments also are there. In this auxiliary equipments comes like capacitor bank, CT, PT, and many and also in this one there are many parameters which they record. The parameters which they record are the power, voltage, frequency, amperes are the. Now in this one, if you see the diagram, in this diagram, if you clearly you can see generators are there. First, after generator, networks, base network, then the network means it is a transmission line. The transmission line, it is used to send the power from one area to the another area. Then again it comes to a substation. After coming to a substation, again from there, either the voltage it reduce it is reduced, and it is transmitted to another substation through sub transmission line. Then what happen, a station, power station will be near the city. Every city is having 2 to 3 power stations, or it is called as it is a substation, not power station. It is a substation where it receives the current, where it reduces the voltage or power. Then it is distributed inside the city through the distribution system, that is called as a primary secondary distribution system. From there, again it goes to the consumers. It goes to the consumers. Maybe consumer will, depending upon the consumer, the load is given. Some large consumers like industries, large industries, medium industries, they are small, they are large consumers. Very large consumers also are there, medium consumers are there, and even residential area, it is a medium consumers, it is called as a medium consumers. Now in this one, the next part of this one, it is a type of power system. In the type of power system, one is radial power system, another one is loop arrangement of a line, and another is network line. The first radial, if you go for the radial power system, only a generator is there and a single line. The single line gives a power to L1, that is load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4. All the loads from 1 to 4, the power it is given by only one generator. Any fault or any interruption occurs at any area, then most of the consumer won't get any supply. The next is loop arrangement of the line. It is called as a loop system. In this loop system, one generator is there. A generator is given from line from one direction and also from the another direction. It is in a looping system. It is called as a simple looping system. Any fault occurs at any point, that particular area, it is a disconnected, and then the supply is given from the other area. Now a network of a line, in the third one you can see at least 2 to 3 powers generation station will be connected to the load. It will be connected to the load 1, 2, 3, 4 will be having, can take supply from any of the generator. Either it can take from generator 1, generator 2, generator 3. If any fault occurs, if any problem occurs in any of the generator, that generator can be isolated for the maintenance, and the supply can be given by the other generators.